Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be looking at mensuration, and our concentration will be the paper 1 type of questions that would come in the exam. So we'll start and look at how best we can answer these questions. Then later on in another video we'll also look at paper 2 type of questions again on this topic. So let's proceed. We start with the first question. So the diagram below is a sector with center O and radius 7 centimeters. Angle at O is 270 degrees. So this is the angle which is 270 degrees. Then this is our O, which is the center. Then the question is asking us to find the area of the sector. So first things first, I'm going to show you the formula you can use to calculate the area of a sector. So area of a sector is given by a formula theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So the r is a small letter. So now what is our theta? Our theta is the angle that we've been given for the sector. So this is the sector here. The angle that we've been given is this one, the 270 degrees. So 270 degrees over the 360, then multiplied by pi. Now in this case we've been given pi to be 22 over 7. So 22 over 7 multiplied by radius is squared. Our radius is 7, so it is squared, so it will be 7 by 7. So you know the 7 goes, the 7 goes, then 0 goes, 0 goes. We can now simplify what remains. So in what is remaining, how best can we simplify what is remaining? So we can say we look for numbers that go into both. For instance, we can say 2 into 22, that is 11, then 2 into 3, that is 1, 2 into 16, that is 8. So we have 18 here. Then we can also say 3 into 18, that is 6 times. Then 3 into 27. So 3 into 27, how many times? It's about 9 times. So 3 goes into 27 9 times. Then we can also 3 into 6, that is 2 times. 3 into 9, that is 3. So here we have 3 over 2. 3 over 2 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 7. That's what we have. Then we can say 11 by 7, we know it's 77. Then that 77 will multiply 3. So we're going to have 231 over 2. Then we can divide. We can say 2 into 231. So 2 into 231. 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1, 2 into 11 is 5, remainder 1, 2 into 10, so that would be 5. So this would be 115.5, so square centimeters. So this would be the area of a sector. So what is important is to know the formula that you can use to find the area of a sector. We proceed to the next example. So the next example is saying the curved surface area of a cone is 880 square centimeters. Given that the base area is 4 centimeters, calculate the slant height of the cone. So how are we going to find the slant height? So basically, if you have a cone, so if you have something like this, so if you have something like this, yes, so the slant height is basically this one, the one that is slanting. You might have a height here that would be a straight one, but what we are interested on here, they want this one, which is the slanting height. So it's the one that is of prime interest in this particular case. So That is just a sketch of a cone. So we come there and something like that. So now we're looking for the slant height. Right, so now they've given us the formula here that we can use to calculate the area of the cone. So we're saying area is given by pi r l, where pi we have r is a radius, then l is the slant height. They've given us to say the area is 88, so where there is area I put 88. Pi is 22 over what? Over 7. So then they've given us to say, given that the base area is 4 centimeters, so they've given us 4 centimeters to be, so 4 centimeters will be our radius in this case. So given that the base area is 4 centimeters, so where there is, because we're looking at the base area here, so we're going to say 22 will multiply it by 4, then the 4 will multiply by L. So that is what we have. Then from there now, what we're going to do is we're going to simplify things. So I'm going to say 88 there must be equal to, so what is 22 multiplied by 4? So 22 times 4 times we get 88, is it? So we get 88, yes. Then that 88 should divide 7. Okay, so that 88 should do divide 7. So we have this is equal to 88 over 7, then L. So to get rid of the length here, what are we going to do? So I'm going to multiply both sides by 7 over 88. Even this side multiplied by 7 over 88. So the 88 is gone, the 88 is gone, 7 is gone, 7 is gone. So I remain with the radius, the length I mean. The length is equal to, so 88 is gone, 88 is gone. So we only remain with the 7. So this is in fact this is the slant height. So the slant height is 7 centimeters. So that is the slant height. So the 4 was somewhere here, then the slant height is 7. So that's how you can find that. Alright, we proceed. We look at another question here. The diagram below shows a sector A or B of a circle with center O and radius 7 centimeters. The area of the sector is 25, 2 over 3 square centimeters. Take pi to be 22 over 7. So now the question is, they are asking us to calculate A or B. So the angle at O here, how can we find that? As usual, the formula for finding area of a sector is equal to area pi over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. And the area is equal to, so area have been given 22, then 2 over 3. I can write this one as an improper fraction. So 25 times 3, that is 75, 75 plus 2, 77. So our area will be 77 over 3 as an improper fraction. Then our theta we don't know. Then over 360 multiplied by pi, which is 22 over 7, multiplied by radius squared, which is 7 times 7. The 7 goes, 7 goes. That has been simplified. So we proceed. What are we going to do? Alright, so here I can say 2 into 22, that is 11, 2 into 3, that is 1, remainder 1, 2 into 16, that is 8, 2 into 0, that is a 0. So meaning here I'm having 77 over 3 is equal to, on the other side I'm having 11 times 7, so this will be 77 theta over 180. Then I can multiply by the reciprocal So it will be 180 over 77. Even this side I'm going to multiply by 180 over 77. Why am I doing that? Because this and this will go, this and this will go. I'll only remain with a theta there. So theta will be equal to, here I'll say the 77 is gone, 77 is gone. Then how many times does 3 go into 180? So 3 goes into 180 60 times. So our answer will be 60 degrees. So our answer for theta will be 60 degrees. So basically that's how you can do such. So questions, paper 1 type of questions on mensuration, they're not that difficult. You just have to know how you can calculate the area of different shapes. Yes, you might also look at how you can find volumes of different shapes. That would also help. So basically we'll end it here, and you can look at some questions that you can try. So this is the first question that you can try. Then the second question that you can try. So once you answer these questions, then you are good to go on the sector. Right.